Hello, I'm Richard Hoppy of Richard Hoppy Antiques and Interior Design. Welcome to my new YouTube channel and the series I call Take a Look. Bite-sized episodes about the antiques I sell, the stories behind them, as well as practical tips and ideas. So how did Take a Look come about? Well, it was about a year ago on Instagram. Here's what happened. My good friend Martin follows me on Instagram. Before the corona lockdown, we were having lunch together. Your Instagram posts are really good, he says, but I think there's something missing. Cue a bad Frankie Howard impression. Well, I nearly gagged on me goujons. Of course I didn't say that to Martin, just replied to, missing, eh? He said, yes. I said, what? He said, you. I said, me? He said, listen, you sell beautiful things for people's homes, you have interior design ideas, you guide collectors, you love what you sell, do it in person on Instagram. But Martin, I said, I'm old and wrinkly. So what happened to the fair? He says, I suppose you stand there with a paper bag on your head. Well, no, of course I don't. Well then, got me thinking. The result, a new video series where I feature an item or a theme, talk about it, throw out some ideas. Hope you'll join me. Since then, I've made lots of videos on antique and vintage glass, perfume bottles, ceramic tiles, as well as many quick look shorts featuring interior decoration and design ideas, and collecting and gift suggestions. I invite you to watch the first couple of titles now, and be sure not to miss the episodes I'll be uploading each week. Hope you enjoy the channel. A like or subscribe is much appreciated, and feel free to leave any comments. Take a look at the website too. There's a link below. One thing, I'm afraid I'm not able to offer valuations as these depend on so many different factors. Well, that's about it. I should mention, if you are about to watch the first episode of Take a Look, there are 2 polar bears on the loose. See you soon. Be sure to take a look at my other videos on antiques and design. I upload on Fridays. A like or subscribe is much appreciated, and thanks so much for watching.